Hey guys, this is the Lego Technic 8045. I got it for £9.50 from Riders Toys in Hertfordshire, and there's two models in one, and the other is the motorcycle, which I haven't built, but comes with, because you can only build one at a time. It comes with two manuals. Yeah. And let's move on to the vehicle. So guys, as you can see, very, very nice and detailed. See the wheels? Well, I'm guessing that's where the driver would sit. And if you can see, but actually when you turn this knob, it can go up and gradually down. So it does go real quick, but I'm actually taking this video on my bed, so it won't go that quick, but I can show you. Yeah, so it can go up. It took me just about an hour to build this. Pretty easy, but it's good for beginners, if you know what I mean. So that's it, and there's like mini exhaust there, some lights there and there, and yeah, so out of 10 I would give it a 10. When you're building, it's really fun, gives your kids a lot of education skills and keep them quiet for a bit, if you know what I mean. Yeah. And so it's nice, very nice box, but I've got it damaged a bit because it's been under my other Lego sets, but oh well, who cares about the box. So there we have it, the Lego Technic 8045, and thank you for watching.